Friends, how are you all? Have a good day. Let's study about uniform and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion, if an object travels equal distances in equal interval of time, then such type of motion is said to be uniform motion. And if an object do not travel equal distances in equal interval of time, then such type of motion is known as non-uniform motion. There is an example of car. In this case, car travels 4 meter in each 2 seconds. 4 meter, it travels 4 meter in each 2 seconds. That is why we can say that car travels equal distances in equal interval of time. So, motion of car is an example of uniform motion. Now, let's study speed. Speed is rate of change of distance or distance traveled per unit time is known as speed. Its formula is distance divided by time. V is equal to S by T. S is distance, it is measured in meter, time is measured in second. So SI unit of speed is meter per second. And average speed is the ratio of total distance traveled per unit time, or its formula can be written as average speed is equal to total distance traveled divided by total time taken. So this is average speed. In vehicles, there is a device which is called speedometer. It measures speed. In our bike, scooty or car, there is a meter which is known as speedometer. And the unit of speedometer can be it is written kmph, means kilometer per hour, or another unit may be written mile per hour. ये दोनों यूनिट इसमें लिखी होती है और इस यूनिट के अंदर ये स्पीड को मेजर करता है. तो ऐसा डिवाइस जो व्हीकल्स की स्पीड, इंस्टेंटेनियस स्पीड को मेजर करता है, उसी को हम स्पीडोमीटर बोलते हैं. नाउ स्पीड डू नॉट हैव डायरेक्शन, but if we ride speed with direction, for example, if a vehicle is moving by 5 km per hour in north direction, then it has a speed. So speed with direction is another quantity. This quantity is known as velocity. So velocity may be or can be defined as displacement produced per unit time. Displacement divided by time taken. This is known as velocity. It has magnitude as well as direction, so it is a vector quantity. Now average velocity. Average velocity is the ratio of total displacement divided by total time taken. And another formula of average velocity is initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. So average velocity is equal to u plus v by 2. Using these two formulae we can find out average velocity. And unit of velocity and average velocity is also meter per second. And numerical. An object travels 16 meter in 4 seconds and then another 16 meter in 2 seconds. What is average speed of the object? हमें इस केस में एवरेज स्पीड फाइंड आउट करनी है. यहाँ पर ऑब्जेक्ट दो पार्ट में डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल करता है. फर्स्ट पार्ट में मान लीजिए ए से बी जाता है 16 मीटर इन 4 सेकंड. सेकेंड पार्ट में बी से सी चला जाता है और ये है आपका सेकेंड डिस्टेंस इज ऑल्सो 16 मीटर बट टाइम टेकन इज 2 सेकंड. अब हमें निकालनी है एवरेज स्पीड फाइंड आउट करनी है. इज इक्वल टू टोटल डिस्टेंस अपॉन टोटल टाइम. So total distance is 16 plus 16 and time is 4 second plus 2 second. 32 by 6. इसे सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो हमारे पास मिलेगा 18 by 3. और ज़्यादा सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो ये आंसर आ जाएगा इसका 6 पॉइंट सॉरी its answer is 16 by 3 and 5.33 meter पर सेकंड, ये इसका आंसर आ जाएगा। Now let's solve second numerical. The odometer of a car reads 2000 km at the start of a trip and 2400 km at the end of the trip. If the trip took 8 hours, calculate the average speed of the car in kilometer per hour and मीटर पर सेकंड। इसकी स्पीड हमको निकालनी है, किलोमीटर पर आवर में भी निकालनी है और मीटर पर सेकंड में भी निकालनी है। तो आप देखिए सॉल्यूशन देखिए इसका। डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय द कार 2400 किलोमीटर माइनस 2000 किलोमीटर, तो ये आता है आपका 400 किलोमीटर और टाइम टेकन है 8 आवर। सो एवरेज स्पीड हो जाएगी s बाई टी दैट इज इक्वल टू 400 किलोमीटर बाई 8 आवर। इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे देन वी विल गेट द आंसर 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर। इसे मीटर पर सेकंड में अगर हमें कन्वर्ट करना है तो हम करते हैं। एवरेज स्पीड हमारी आई है 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर। इसे कन्वर्ट करना है मीटर पर सेकंड में, तो किलोमीटर को कन्वर्ट करेंगे 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे और आर को कन्वर्ट करना है तो 60 इंटू 60 सेकंड कर देंगे। 0 0 कैंसिल कर दीजिए, यह आता है 500 डिवाइड बाई 36। 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे 125, ये 9, तो इसका आंसर आ जाएगा 125 बाई 9 मीटर पर सेकंड और इसका आंसर हो सकता है हो जाएगा 13.9 मीटर पर सेकंड। Another numerical. Usha swims in a 90-meter long pool. She covers 180 meter in 1 minute by swimming from one end to the other end and back along the same straight path. Find the average speed and average velocity of Usha. इस केस में हमें दोनों निकालना पड़ेगा, डिस्टेंस भी निकालनी है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट भी निकालना है, फिर एवरेज स्पीड निकालेंगे और एवरेज वेलोसिटी हम निकालेंगे। सो लेट्स सॉल्व। Starts swimming from point A and another point B on another side, and again he come back on this path. So she swims 90 meter towards AB and 90 meter towards BA. So total distance traveled is 90 plus 90, that is 180 meter. But displacement, total displacement will be 0 because she is swimming from point A and she go to point B and again come back to point A. That is why displacement will be 0 meter. Now we will find out speed, average speed. So average speed is equal to distance 180 divided by time. Time is 1 minute or 1 minute means 60 seconds. So answer will be 3 meter per second. This is the answer of average speed. Now average velocity is equal to displacement divided by time. Displacement is 0, time is 60 seconds, so its answer is 0 meter per second. This is the numerical. That's all. Today we will study by this numerical only. Thank you so much.